Guys, in this video let's see how to make a simple, yummy and a healthy snack. All we need is a peanut and a jaggery, which is basically mandavilam. Firstly, let's roast all the peanuts until it turns into a beautiful brown color just like this. And then let's shred the jaggery like this using a knife into a chunky powder. Now we are going to grind them together in the mixer. I am taking 3 handfuls of the roasted peanut and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the jaggery powder. If you are a sweet tooth person, you can add an extra spoon of the jaggery. Now let's grind them into a fine powder. This powder has to be very finely grinded so that it will be easy to make the peanut balls. You can check by taking a small amount of the powder and pressing them together. With this consistency, it will be easy to make the peanut balls. If the powder is not finely grinded, it will be hard to roll them into balls. Let me show you that. This is not so finely grinded powder. You can see how the powder breaks when I try to make them into balls. Lastly, our peanut balls are ready. This will be a perfect snack for kids and also adults. The gym-going adults can also take this as their protein snack. I hope you all liked this video. Do support me for more interesting videos.